Uh-oh. Dag. No! See? The dag thing is caught up in there. Hey Glam Dolls, welcome back to the channel. But if you're a newbie passing through, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you all how I apply this pretty quick pony, which is by OUTRE. Now, what makes this ponytail so interesting, one, it says it's pretty quick, so I'm going to see if that's true. But what makes it so interesting is this is the NEESHA version of the ponytail, and if you are an official Glam Doll to this channel, or that means you're a subscribed Glam Doll, which means you should hit that subscribe button if you haven't. But if you are, like I said, an official Glam Doll, or if you are even an avid wig wearer, then you all should remember the infamous OUTRE NEESHA lace front wig. If not, this is what it's looking like, because everybody all over wig wearing land was trying to get their hands on the OUTRE NEESHA. So that wig really blew up. So now they have the ponytail version, and I'm really excited. So I don't want to ramble too much because I just want to get right into it. So let's just get this out the pack. So this is what the packaging is looking like. That is what the packaging is looking like. That is the model on the packaging, and the color I have is DR Black Cherry, and this is a 16-inch pony. And what I like about it already is that it's drawstring. It's a drawstring pony. You have the drawstring right here, and you have the comb right here, which you can latch it on to your hair and be one and done. So we're just going to cut the string off. Now, I already put my hair up in. Let me fix y'all. Give me a second. Ooh, y'all looking a little crooked. Okay, I had to adjust my camera. So, my hair. Natural hair is already in a very high bun. Okay, we already got the bun going. Make it nice and as flat as possible, because I don't want the hump to be too high up. And we're going to take this, you see the comb, and you see the drawstring, and like the packaging said, this is pretty quick. So let's see. Let's adjust this mirror and see how quick this is going to be. Take this, move that down a little bit, okay? Oh boy. Okay, take this, taking the comb, hope y'all getting this, taking the comb, I'm tucking the comb right underneath my bun. All right, I got it situated. Okay, we are going to hold this because I need the drawstring. You see the drawstring? Yes, this is pretty quick. I'm gonna pull the drawstring. Now, as I pull the drawstring, that tightens the ponytail. Oh yes, this is on here, honey. Let me adjust this again. Okay, let me adjust this. And now I'm just going to wrap the drawstring, you know, get it out the way. I'm just going to wrap it as such. Ooh, child, we are in there. Let's tuck this, tuck the drawstring. I got my bobby pin, and we're just tucking the drawstring, honey. Nothing special. And voila, take this off. Let's see what it's looking like. That was pretty quick, right? Just like the packaging said. Let's go like this, and woo. Uh-oh. Dag. No! See? The dag thing is caught up in there. So this is the ponytail. But I need to take a little bit of the hair. This is just something I like to do. You don't have to do this part. I like to do this part. Okay, this is a part of the ponytail. Got my little comb. Like I said, you don't have to do this part. This is just something that I like doing. Okay, we're gonna wrap this around. Okay, so what do you dolls think? I mean, was it pretty quick? I'm loving the burgundy hue that, you know, it has going on. I think it's super cute. It was really super easy to apply, very fun, and yeah, I'm not mad at it. This is what it's looking like, you know. This is what it's looking like from the side, the back, the front, and the other side, and I'm not mad at it. So the only thing now missing is for me to add my earrings and my outfit, which is from Shein. I'm gonna be wearing this faux leather dress today from Shein. So that's going to be on my Instagram pictures if you would like to see what the full ensemble was for today. All you gotta do is check the @MzGlamourAddict on Instagram. So now I'm gonna get out of here, put my outfit on, and get on with my day. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. As I shared with you all, this was the OUTRE. Pretty quick and easy. NEESHA ponytail, 16 inches in black cherry. That was it. This concludes the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch the video, and I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. Yes.